Hi friends, in this lecture we will discuss about elements in more detail, okay? As the name of topic is elements, compounds and mixtures, okay? So first is what element, and about that element we will discuss in detail, okay? So we know that there are 118 elements available now, and out of these elements 92 elements are naturally occurring, okay, and remaining elements are man-made elements, okay. So scientists done research and find these man-made elements, okay. So remember, one 118 elements are total available elements, okay, available total available elements total available elements. Out of that, 92 elements 92 elements 92 elements are natural elements, natural natural elements, okay. So friends, elements म्हणजे काय? मूलद्रव्य, ठीक आहे. मूलद्रव्य. And any object is made of a single element or two or more elements, okay. That is, in compounds we can see two or more elements are there. By chemical combination of two or more elements, compounds are formed, okay. And in mixture also there are number of elements, okay. So the basic part is what? Element, okay. So we will discuss about this. Before that, let us do the activity here. This activity is, let us see. In this activity, number one is what? Take take water in a teapot and cover it. Take take water take water in a teapot and and cover it, okay, and cover it. Heat the water to a boil. Heat 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 the water to a boil. Heat the water heat the water to a boil. What do you see on the inside of the lid? What do you see? What do you see? What do you see on the inside of the lid? See, on the inside of the lid, on the inside of the lid, on the inside of the lid. Okay, so this is the question. Let us see. Second is, fill water in a spray pump. Fill water fill water in a spray pump in a spray pump. Fill water in a spray pump, comma, spray the water and observe the spray. Spray the water spray the water and observe and observe the spray. Okay, so these activity you have to done. Okay, so from these activities, the water droplets collected on the inside of the lid of the teapot, the the water droplets collected, the water droplets, the water droplets collected, the water droplets collected on collected on the inside of the lid, on the inside of the lid, on the inside of the lid of the teapot are formed by of the teapot of the teapot of the teapot are formed by are formed are formed by condensation of vapor by formed by condensation of vapor condensation of vapors condensation of vapors from the boiling water from the boiling water. So let us see friends, in first activity we have to take water in a teapot and cover it, heat the water to boil. What do you see on the inside of the lid? So when we heat the water, water starts boiling. Okay, and we know that when we add the heat in a liquid, that is water, water gets converted into steam. Okay, that process is called as evaporation. Okay, this is the evaporation. And when we cover, okay, it, then the water droplets collected on inside of the lid. Okay, so water droplets are formed inside the lid of the teapot by condensation of vapors from the boiling water. तर बॉइलिंग वॉटर पासून जे वेपर्स निघतात त्यांचं कंडेन्सेशन झाल्यामुळे, कंडेन्सेशन म्हणजे काय, संघनन. ठीक आहे, ज्याच्यामध्ये काय होतं, स्टीम गॅसियस, that is steam is get converted into water. Okay, that is liquid by rejection of heat. And let us see, water in the form of vapor is composed of water water is in the form of vapor is in the form of vapor is composed of extremely tiny particles is is composed of extremely extremely tiny particles extremely tiny particles extremely tiny particles and therefore we cannot even see them and therefore we cannot even see them we cannot even see them. ओके, सो तर ज्यावेळेस वॉटर जे स्टीमच्या फॉर्ममध्ये असतं त्यावेळेस त्याच्यामध्ये खूप टायनी ड्रॉपलेट्स असतात, खूप छोटे छोटे ड्रॉपलेट्स असतात आणि त्याच्यामुळं आपल्याला ते दिसत नाहीयेत डोळ्यांनी. ठीक आहे, तर you will see that the spray is also composed of small particles of water. तो या ठिकाणी बघा स्प्रे सुद्धा का also composed of spray is also composed of tiny particles. Okay, tiny particles. तर स्प्रे ज्यावेळेस आपण स्प्रे करतो तर त्या स्प्रे मध्ये आपण पाहू शकतो की खूप छोटे छोटे टायनी ड्रॉपलेट्स असतील. ठीक आहे. राईट डाऊन दीज थिंग्स. Now let us see. तर यावरून आपण म्हणू शकतो similarly all substances are made of extremely tiny particles. Okay, all substances all substances are made of are made of extremely extremely made of extremely small particles. Okay, extremely small particles. Extremely small particles. तर जे काही सबस्टन्सेस असतात ते कशापासून बनलेले असतात? एक्स्ट्रीमली स्मॉल पार्टिकल्स पासून बनलेले असतात. ठीक आहे. एक्स्ट्रीमली स्मॉल पार्टिकल्स. द स्मॉलेस्ट पार्टिकल ऑफ सबस्टन्सेस आर मॉलिक्युल्स. तर जे स्मॉलेस्ट पार्टिकल असतो सबस्टन्सचा त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो? मॉलिक्यूल. द स्मॉलेस्ट पार्टिकल the smallest particle of substance the smallest particle of substance is called as molecule. त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो? Molecule. Molecule is called as molecule. A substance whose molecules are made of one or more atoms which are exactly alike is called as element. Okay. तर a substance whose molecules are made of whose molecules like oxygen. In oxygen, what is the chemical formula? That is O2. Okay, O2 means oxygen. That indicates that in one molecule of oxygen there are two atoms. Okay, that's why oxygen is O2. Okay, substance whose molecules are made of one or more atoms. Molecules are made of one or more atoms. One or more atoms. One or more atoms विच आर एक्झॅक्टली अलाइक आणि ते एकमेकांसारखेच असतात. ठीक आहे, ते ॲटम्स सारखेच असतात. ओके. काही मॉलिक्यूल असतात ज्यांच्यामध्ये एकच आयटम असतो, काही मॉलिक्यूल्स असतात त्यांच्यामध्ये एक किंवा एकपेक्षा जास्त ॲटम्स असतात. ओके. त्यालाच आपण मोनो ॲटॉमिक, डायटॉमिक असं म्हणतो. ठीक आहे. मोर ॲटम्स, वन ऑर मोर atoms which are exactly alike, which are which are exactly which are exactly alike is called as element, is called as element. तर ही डेफिनेशन असेल एलिमेंटची. एलिमेंट म्हणजे मूलद्रव्य. ठीक आहे. so this is the definition of element: a substance whose molecules are made of one or more atoms which are exactly alike is called as element. Okay, is called as element. Remember this definition, this is very important. Okay, you should know what is meant by element. Okay, तर एलिमेंट मध्ये जे ॲटम्स असतात जे किंवा जे मॉलिक्युल्स असतात ते काय असतात, एकसारखे असतात. ठीक आहे, त्यांना आपण काय म्हणतो, एलिमेंट. ओके, फॉर एक्झाम्पल गोल्ड इज एलिमेंट. व्हेन वी ब्रेक द gold, okay, in small pieces, okay, then each and every piece of gold is of same color, same characteristics, same properties. Okay, they are exactly same. Okay, that's why the gold is element. Okay, we do not get different substances by decomposition of an element. So from element we cannot get different, we cannot we cannot get different substances, we cannot get substances different substances we cannot get different substances by the decomposition of an element, by the decomposition, by the decomposition of an element, by the decomposition of an element. तर एलिमेंटला आपण डिकम्पोज करून त्याच्यापासून वेगळे सबस्टन्सेस मिळू शकत नाहीत. ठीक आहे. The smallest particle of elements are made of only one type of atoms. Okay, the smallest part or the smallest particles of elements, smallest particles of elements, smallest particles of elements are made of only one type of atoms, are made of only one type of atoms, one type of atoms. Okay, we cannot see atoms with the naked eye, but when crores of atoms come together, we cannot see, we cannot, what is meant by atom? Smallest particle of the substance, that is called as atom. Okay, and the size of atom is very small, so that's why we cannot see the with atoms with naked eye, with naked eye, but but crores of atoms, crores of atoms, but crores of atoms come together, come together come together, their total volume, their their total volume, their total volume is large enough to be visible to our eyes, to be visible, to be visible to our eyes. Okay. So as we know that friends, smallest particle of any substance, that is called as atom, and the size of atom is very small. Okay. Uh, and that's why we cannot see the atoms with our naked eyes. Okay. And when crores of atoms come together, then we can see the that thing. Okay. That will become a large volume, that is enough, large enough, that total volume is large enough to be visible to our eyes. Okay. So the mass and volume of atoms of different elements are different. Okay. So this is very important sentence actually. The mass, the mass and volume, the mass and volume of different of different elements, the mass and volume of atoms of different elements, of different elements, of different elements is different. ओके. त्या ठिकाणी पहा, वेगवेगळ्या जी एलिमेंट असतात, जसं गोल्ड आहे, सोडियम आहे, नायट्रोजन, ऑक्सिजन, कार्बन. ओके. तर ह्या वेगवेगळ्या एलिमेंट्स आहेत. तर ह्यांचे जे आयटम्स आहेत त्यांचं प्रत्येकाचं जे आयटमचं जे मास आणि व्हॉल्यूम असणार आहे ते वेगवेगळं असणार आहे. ठीक आहे. म्हणजे कार्बनचं जे आयटम असणार आहे त्याचं मास आणि व्हॉल्यूम वेगळा असेल. नायट्रोजनचा जो आयटम आहे त्याचं मास आणि व्हॉल्यूम वेगळा असेल. गोल्ड त्याचं मास आणि व्हॉल्यूम वेगळा असेल. ठीक आहे. तर तुम्ही ही गोष्ट लक्षात ठेवायचं की प्रत्येक एलिमेंटचा जो आयटम असतो त्याचा मास आणि व्हॉल्यूम वेगवेगळा असतं. ठीक आहे. तर या ठिकाणी लक्षात ठेवा, स्मॉलेस्ट पार्टिकल ऑफ सबस्टन्स त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो, मॉलिक्यूल. जो पार्टिकल सर्वात छोटा पार्टिकल असतो सबस्टन्सचा त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो, मॉलिक्यूल. ओके. आणि सबस्टन्स हे कसे बनलेले असतात, एक्स्ट्रीमली स्मॉल पार्टिकल्सनी बनलेले असतात. ओके. आणि त्यानंतर आपण डेफिनेशन बघितली एलिमेंटची. अ सबस्टन्स हुज मॉलिक्युल्स आर मेड अप ऑफ one or more atoms which are exactly alike is called as element. Okay. We cannot get different substances by the decomposition of an element. तर एखाद्या एलिमेंटला आपण डिकम्पोज करून वेगवेगळे सबस्टन्सेस मिळू शकत नाही. ठीक आहे. तर ही एक गोष्ट लक्षात ठेवा, कारण एलिमेंटमध्ये एकच प्रकारचा सबस्टन्स असेल. ठीक आहे. जरी आपण त्याचे छोटे छोटे पार्ट किंवा पार्टिकलमध्ये जरी आपण एलिमेंटला सेपरेट केलं तरी प्रत्येक पार्टिकल काय असणार आहे, हॅव्हिंग सेम कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक्स, सेम प्रॉपर्टीज अँड एक्झॅक्टली सिमिलर टू द अदर पार्टिकल्स. ओके. that of other particles. That's why we cannot get different substances by decomposition of the element. Okay. Write down these things. Now let us see about great scientist, okay, Democritus. Let us see great scientists, great scientists. Democritus named the small particle of element. Democritus, this is the name of the scientist. Democritus named the small particles, named small small particles of एलिमेंट्स. तर एलिमेंटचे जे सर्वात छोटा पार्टिकल असेल त्याला नाव काय दिलं त्यांनी? एटम. बिकॉज इन ग्रीक लँग्वेज एटम, बिकॉज because in Greek language, in Greek language, in Greek language, atoms means invisible. atoms म्हणजे न दिसणारे किंवा अदृश्य पार्टिकल्स. ओके. atoms means invisible. atoms means invisible. ओके. कारण ते खूप खूप लहान असतात त्यामुळं त्यांना आपण पाहू शकत नाही. ठीक आहे. म्हणून डेमोक्रिटस या सायंटिस्टनी काय केलं? ॲटमला जे स्मॉलेस्ट पार्टिकल असेल एलिमेंटचा त्याला काय म्हटलं? ॲटम. इन 1803, ओके, इन ओके, John Dalton proposed his theory. John Dalton, remember this thing. John Dalton proposed proposed John Dalton proposed his theory stating that his theory proposed his theory stating that stating stating that stating that atoms cannot be created or divided. Atoms cannot be created, cannot be created or divided into. the atoms ला आपण तयारी करू शकत नाही आणि डिवाइड करू शकत नाही. ठीक आहे. क्रिएटेड और डिवाइडेड इनटू स्मॉलर पार्टिकल्स, into smaller particles, into smaller particles or destroyed. आणि त्यांना आपण नष्टही करू शकत नाही. ठीक आहे. and destroyed. He used certain symbols to represent elements. तर डाल्टननी काही सिम्बॉलचा वापर केला काही एलिमेंट्सला शो करण्यासाठी. ठीक आहे. He used some symbols some symbols to show elements to show elements. Okay, to show elements. These symbols are like that. Okay. For example, for example, this symbol is used for element copper. Copper. कॉपर म्हणजे काय तांब. ठीक आहे. सल्फर. त्यानंतर सल्फर साठी this symbol is used for sulfur. Sulfur. Okay. These symbols are used by Dalton. This symbol is used for hydrogen. 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 Okay. So this is about the great scientists. Okay. Democritus named the smallest particle of the element as atom. Okay, which is invisible in Greek language, whose meaning is invisible. Okay. John Dalton in 1803, okay, proposed his theory stating that atoms cannot be created or divided into smaller particles, okay, or destroyed. He used some symbols to show the elements like copper, sulfur, then hydrogen. Okay, write down these things. Okay, friends. So in this lecture we have discussed about elements. Okay, and in next lecture we will discuss about these elements in more detail. Okay, so now we stop here. Hope you understand all these things in very well manner. Keep studying. Okay, thank you.